Hi there. In today quick bits, we are going to learn first program using Python. Along with that, we are also going to learn a little bit on best practice and how to, make our program is more readable. These are things we are going to learn today. See, as all we know, each and every programming language, um, the script file or the program file should have some extension. So then only the compiler or interpreter will understand. Python have a extension of .py. So any file which you are creating in Python, it will have a py as extension. And when we are writing a programming, we need to have a comment. Then only other programmer who going to use this program later point in time, they will understand what is the purpose of that particular line or logic is written. So for that reason only, the comments are giving a explanation about the logic is more important. Python also have option to give comments. So single line comments we need to use as symbol. Multiple lines mean three quotation which we need to give for multiple line comments. So that is we can, and we can also see. I'm going to use some ID for writing a programming. Nowadays nobody writing edit text editor, so I will be using ID. But at the same time, I'm going to explain how to compile and run a Python program using command line, and also Python have a console in to view the visualization. That is also I'm going to explain now today. So without further delay, I will use some compiler. Okay, I'm using a PyCharm compiler. Already I have created that program. The program name is first program underscore one dot py. So if you want to create a new one, you can. There's a way to create. Just I'll real quick. I'll explain. Just click new, and then Python file. You can give file name. This is a way to create a new file. But since I already created, it is there. Okay, so writing a Python program is so simple. If you know one command in Python, you can simply write that line. You don't need to, like other program, what is the entry point, what is the syntax for that particular entry point, something like that. You don't need to think. So I know print command here. So I'm just typing. Okay, I Python. So that's it. I can simply run this program. It will run. I will choose the program name. See, Python. As I told, suppose you want to give comments for this program, you can give. This is my first Python program. Suppose you want to give multiple comments, multi-line comments, you need to give three. Say for example, I am giving author. Suppose date. So in this program, these lines won't get executed. As all we know, it is considered as a comment. Okay, so I'll run this program again. Okay, those lines not get executed. Only this part is get executed. Even I'm giving some other there. So since hi there is a repeating twice, I'm just commented. Now if I execute, the first line won't get executed, only the second line will get executed. See, it's not coming twice, right? So that is another reason. Suppose you want to run Python using, see this is a terminal, is something like Unix terminal. Wait, it will come, it's taking time. Yes, ls. So I'm there in pwd, I'm there in a place where I can, so now Python, see if you run this is also another way to execute this program. This is a console, as you guys told, actually Python console. This is a very simple, one simple command you can want to execute, just you can give just enter, this command will execute. So if you want run on simple command, you can use Python console to execute and check whether it's correct or not. Yeah, pretty much I covered what I want to cover today. We'll see in next session. Thank you.